2018 Toyota Camry oil change. Well, things you'll need first is 14 millimeter, 10 millimeter oil filter wrench, very handy. New oil filter. This I bought at AutoZone. It was $5.99. You can get the original filter at eBay or dealer or Amazon, pretty cheap. Oil. It calls for 0.16. You cannot find it unless you go to the dealer, of course. You can use 0.20. It'll be just fine. I used full synthetic. If you have funnel, very handy too, so you don't make a mess up here when you fill it. Let's grab a 10 millimeter and go down here. So what you'll see is a little plastic cover right here, 4 little screws. This is where you use the 10 millimeter. They're halfway undone. Let's just remove them. Comes right out. This is your drain plug. Drain your oil here, and your oil filter is right here. So remove it, drain it, put it back on, put the cover back on. On a 4-cylinder, it calls for 4.8 quarts of oil. On a V6, I believe it's 5.7. Same process too. This is a 4-cylinder XLE model. And let's go inside to reset that light. So start the car. The screen looks a little different from LE or SE model because it's an XLE, but same concept. All you have to do is go to maintenance settings on your left side of your steering wheel. I'll go back, go all the way down to the right, settings, click OK and hold it, go down to scheduled maintenance, OK, reset data, yes, boom, this is it. Thanks for watching.